Okay, so next video. Um, of course, the main part, the reason what we're doing all this validation and stuff is to make sure that when data is entered, it's entered properly. Now, we can enter data into our database by writing something here and putting in either miss or whatever, okay, by putting in the details. But then, of course, another way we can do it is we can put in something called a form. So that's what we're going to do next. I'm going to go to create and then to form wizard, and what that's going to do is create a way that people can easily put in information. So I'm going to click on form wizard, and obviously at the moment I'm in the customers table. Okay, so I'm clicked back into the customers table. We'll just cancel that for a moment. Just make sure I'm in customers table, so I've that highlighted. Go to form wizard, and then it'll ask me what fields I'd like to use. So I'm going to put all of them in. So just double click them all and move them over here to selected fields. I'm going to click next, and then it'll ask me what kind of form or what layout I'd like for my form. Now you can see here that you can pick different layouts, so justified column, or you can come back and change these later if you so wish. I'm going to stick with column because just the simplest one. I'll go next. And what title do I want? Well, I want that to be my customer. Spell it right. Customer entry form. Okay, so I'm going to name that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click modify the form's design. And what that's going to let me do is change the colors and fonts and stuff like that of my form. So I'm going to click modify the form's design and click finish. Okay, now what you can see is that this is going to allow me a place where I can enter some data for my customers. So what I might do at this point is take a print screen and explain that I'm setting up a data entry form. Okay, so hopefully you've taken a print screen of this and explained that here you are creating a data entry form. Of course, this is in design view. If we go back to form view, just show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like when it's normal. Now I'm going to change the colors and stuff with this, so I'll just go back to design view. What I'll do is I'll right click here and I can change the background color, and what I can do is I can change the color here. Okay, so I change it to green, seeing as I'm Irish. What I can also do is I can right click on the text box and I can change the font color, so I'll change that to white so it'll stand out. Okay, I can also change some of the things here. I can change the font and stuff like that, so I can change the font. So I'll change it to something else, to Georgia. Once I'm happy with it, I'll take a print screen of this and explain that I've changed some of the colors and I've changed the way in which my data entry form is formatted. Okay, so hopefully you might have explained what you've done. If we go back now to form view, and you'll see that I've been able to change the way the data entry form is laid out and the colors and stuff like that. So if I go through it, then you can see all our data in there. And what this will do is it'll make it easy for someone to easily enter in data into the form. Okay, so if you wish to take a print screen of the last of it completed, then please do.